And hello there again, the fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is the HG GQuuuuuux Police Zaku. So yes, this is the Zaku in the GQuuuuuux universe, and as you can see in the box art, it really looks like the typical Zaku, and but instead of doing the being green, it's blue because I don't know, police. And taking more look on the box art, it's really very nice on how the GQuuuuuux box arts are popping it up, giving a modern flair to showing off the mobile suit. Anyways, off to the side here, yes, we see the police Zaku, the actions that you can do with it, of course, some weapons, it indicates the mobility, the gimmicks on what it has, and of course, the range of motion. Off to the side, still you can see the police Zaku front and rear, information about GQuuuuuux, sorry, and after that, let's see what's inside the box. First up, we have one bag with three screws, one all blue, all black, and a sort of a purple color there. Another bag, second bag, two more screws, a multicolored one, the blue color, gray. Third bag contains a multicolored, oh no, two screws, one black and a multicolored, and of course a transfer sticker. Hmm, yeah. And of course we do have the instruction manual, which is a the one sheet, long one sheet type instruction manual. There you go. And looking more on the Zaku here displayed, it is really different from the regular Zaku. It looks very interesting. Now let's take a look at individually at the screws. So first off is the A sprue here, which is the multicolored sprue. We can see there is some dark blue here, some black, some of the light blue, the overall color of the Zaku, and of course some clear parts here. Interesting. What is this clear parts for? Okay, so that's the A sprue. Next up is the B sprue. Taking a look more on the internal parts, I guess, and the joints, the limbs. That's the B sprue. C sprue is another black color. And more on the armaments I see here. Some parts for the pistons, I guess. Yep. Then we have the D sprue. Back to that same blue color. More parts for the armor of the police Zaku. E sprue contains the light gray. More parts of the weapons. Okay. F sprue is a singular lightish bluish gray color sprue. Some part of the body armor, I guess. G sprue going back to the same blue color. More parts for the armor this time, or the backpack maybe. H sprue, same color. More parts for I don't know. And again, let's talk about the transfer stickers. Same as the GQuuuuuux, there are transfer stickers, but this time it's only all white. So probably if you're a white paint, you can paint it over except for the characters here. Unless you know you're that adventurous. And there you have it, Gundam fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the HG GQuuuuuux Police Zaku. Yeah, this is really a reimagining of the very first Universal Century, or rather the Mobile Suit Gundam, the very first. And so far, I am taking a liking to the art style, the story, and yeah. And for this month, I think we are going to receive two new kits. Yeah, the Galgul two versions. though it looks like a GM to me. I don't know why they call it a Gelgoog. And of course, the red Gundam, which is piloted by Char. And this is Mixerwars saying, if you're new to the channel, please do consider subscribing and leaving a like, viewing other videos, sharing the videos, hitting the notification bell, and until next time, see you and thank you.